Hello Avon families, community members, and students. This is Matt Shockley again, principal at Avon High School, and it has been several months since I talked to you last about an update in regards to our construction project happening at Avon High School. Behind me is our OASIS program on the first floor and classrooms on the second floor. Again, OASIS stands for the Oriel Alternative Setting in School. It's a very specialized program for students in grades K through 12 in our special education program needing a structured environment and specialized programming for their educational and behavioral needs. That's going to be housed on the first floor. And then on the second floor of this addition, on the east side of the building, next to our ALC, is going to be two art classrooms and two science classrooms. So quite a bit of progress made since the last time I spoke to you. I am now on the south side of the building, and the area behind me is kind of an updated look since the last time I spoke to you in October. As you can see, a lot of ground and earthwork done. The parking lot is gone, and that is making room for our fitness and weight room addition that will be on the first floor. Back to my left here. On the second floor, down that way, is going to be for our wrestling room. Will be on the second floor, and then we're also going to have some classroom spaces in this area as well. Also, right to my left here is going to be a new entrance into the building for students coming from the parking lot area on the south side for them to go into the school building. This is slated to be finished actually a year from now. We hope to have this area of the facility completed and ready for use for second semester during the 23-24 school year. I am now on the west side of the school building, and behind me is our performing arts entrance, and then classrooms on the west side of the building. Also to my right over here is our staff parking lot. And we're over here because starting around spring break and after spring break, this area is going to see some real changes. The construction project will be moving to this area of the building. So we'll have 3 zones of the campus that will be under construction. So over here you're going to start seeing some fencing going up because our administrative offices will be coming off that classroom area on the west side. So the new administrative offices, guidance offices will be there, and our new main entrance will be there. And then also there's going to be a new addition here on our performing arts wing. We will be adding a orchestra room and a flexible band space that can be used for both purposes to help to our growing band and orchestra programs. The parking lot area is also going to be a major shift because after spring break, this area will not be open for faculty and staff to park. We will actually be moving them to the student lot where they will park there starting after spring break, taking up probably half of the student parking lot. And that's going to force our students to have to relocate to the band parking lot area, which is behind the home football stands, and then also we'll push more students to the softball, baseball fields, to those parking lots as well to really accommodate. And we do have enough parking spots in those two areas to accommodate our students when we shift our faculty and staff over to the staff parking lot. Again, that will happen right after spring break, and this phase of the construction project will actually last through the 23-24 school year, and the new entrance to the school as well as the new addition to the performing arts wing should be completed at the beginning of the 24-25 school year. As you know, at Avon High School, we are making room for more, and this update, I hope, provided you some new information and see the new things that are happening around Avon High School since October, when the last time I spoke to you. You can count on hearing from me again here in early March to see the new progress that is made at Avon High School for the construction project. So excited to bring back with you more information and more pictures in a month. Thank you.